What is up, guys? This is Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today we're in the back of the factory store and we're gonna give this Subaru WRX a touchless wash. Now, if you're into detailing your vehicle and you like to keep it clean, we're gonna show you one of the easiest and fastest ways to wash your car right when you get off work, right when you get home, whether you're going out to a car show or a cruise and your car is well maintained and you wanna give it that quick, just fast wash right before you go to the show. This is gonna be the easiest way to do that right here behind the shop. Now, it's a hot summer day. It's the middle of July. It's burning hot out here. It's like 90 degrees, but we found this nice little spot right here behind the shop that has a shade, and it's gonna be the perfect way to wash this WRX. So right here, it's the middle of the week. We just closed the shop, so let's give this a touchless wash. Now, what's a touchless wash? A touchless wash is where you use a foam cannon and snow foam to cover the whole vehicle and pull off the dirt without even touching it. So if you have one of those cars that's well maintained, you wash it on the weekly basis. Sometimes I wash my car 2-3 times a week. Why not just give it a touchless wash? Because that's gonna make it faster and easier. Our snow foam is gonna pull off the dirt and the grime. It's gonna give it that fresh shine. Plus, it's gonna reduce swirl marks and scratches. Now, swirl marks and scratches are all caused by improper washing and drying, and you can eliminate all those swirl marks and scratches by just doing a touchless wash. So here's everything you need to get to give your vehicle a touchless wash. First of all, you need your foam cannon. We're gonna use our Masterson's Gen 2 professional foam cannon. You can pick this up on our website, mastersonswax.com. It has a big 32-ounce bottle. It has a fast thread insert right here on the foam cannon itself that makes tightening the bottle down so easy and so smooth. A smooth action lance front that allows you to get a nice wide fan or thin fan, and then it has a nice smooth control right here at the top. Now, you can pick this up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com, and to use this, you need a pressure washer. So right in the back, we got our trusty Honda pressure washer. It's heavy duty and it gives a lot of foam. Now, what are we gonna put inside the foam cannon? We're going to put our Masterson's Mystic Snow Foam. Now, you can pick this up also on our website, mastersonswax.com. It's really easy to throw in this foam cannon. It's designed for mega thick foam. We're gonna have a 16-ounce right here that we're gonna put inside the foam cannon. But if you do a lot of cars, if you're a pro, pick up one of these gallon sizes. You can pick these up on our website, mastersonswax.com. And this is gonna give you a ton of washes and great value, whether you want the gallon size or the 16-ounce. Now, we're gonna show you how to fill this up, and let's get washing this WRX. So the first thing I'm gonna do is open up my foam cannon. There we go. This has like a long tube that goes all the way down into the cannon. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bend that out of the way, and we're gonna fill it with 2 ounces of our Mystic Snow Foam. There we go, it's 1, 2, there we go, just like that. Now, after you have that in there, we're gonna go ahead and put the foam cannon back together. And this has the smooth insert on the front that allows you to just so easily tighten that cannon. Other ones, they're hard to tighten and they're hard to connect. This one's so easy, so fast to connect. And once it's in there, just go ahead and give it a few shakes like that. If a little bit of water comes out, that's all right. We have this pre-filled with water. And once it's mixed up like that, we're gonna throw it in the cannon and get some mega foam. Now, what I like to do first is I'm gonna start up my pressure washer, give it a good rinse, and then we're gonna spray it with the foam cannon and let that snow foam just pull off all the dirt and all the grime. But don't worry, I'm gonna talk you through and guide you through everything we do on the car. Now, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start up my pressure washer. Let's go ahead and turn this on. This is a gas pressure washer. If you have an electric pressure washer, this is gonna work great as well. This gas one's like super heavy duty. We have it at the shop, but even at my house, at home, I use an electric pressure washer because you could do this job like 2 in the morning, no one ever noticed because the electric pressure washer is so quiet. I'm gonna use this gas one. It's a little loud, so I'll try to talk you guys through it as I rinse down this WRX. Now, the first thing about this is to rinse off all the heavier dirt. I just wanna get off all of the heavy rocks. You know, if you're a Subaru or an STI owner, you probably drive in the mud, the snow, the dirt, and there might be extra rocks on the bottom. My goal about this first step is just to pressure wash it all off. So let's give this a good start. There we go. Okay, so let's start rinsing this off. My goal is just to rinse off the whole car. Just give it a quick rinse. Now, if you guys notice, look what I'm doing. I'm concentrating a lot of the pressure on this bottom area of the car. That's the goal of the touchless wash. Rinse all of the bottom area out, stuff that I could scratch. I'm rinsing it off right now with the pressure washer. There's still road grime on the car. I can see it, even though the car is wet, you can see the road grime. And we're gonna take that off with the foam cannon. Okay, so now I got everything rinsed off on the Subaru. Now let's go ahead and foam lance this up. So take your foam cannon, we got one right here. Take the connection and connect it up to your pressure washer. There we go. This one has a super long lance for doing big cars and big trucks. But once you have it set up on there, just give it one good shake to make sure everything's mixed around. And I'm gonna start this pressure washer and let's just spray down the whole entire car. I want you guys to come in close. Check this out, guys. Look at how thick our snow foam is. I want you guys to see that. This is much thicker than the competition. So if you're using the other guys, throw it away. Switch to this because this is thick. Let's show you guys some more foam.
Like this. She virgin, I took it. She said we should hook up the boyfriend and booger. Don't know me, they look at my being in clouds. Pool full of Henny, I drink and I drown. Daytime better come correct. Ain't playing at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept.
Look at how thick this is on the car. It just pulls off the dirt and the grime off the vehicle without even touching it.
Like this.
So now we got this whole Subaru all foamed up. Check this out. This is why I wanted to do a touchless wash, because we sprayed the snow foam on the ground, on the vehicle, and it's already pulling off all of the dirt towards the ground. Look at this big chunk that drips off, right? This is all of the dirt and the grime. It's being pulled off of the paint. Come in close, guys, and check this out. Look how the lubricants inside of the snow foam are pulling off all of the grime, right? They're pulling it away from the paint. This car actually has a coat of wax on it because the customer uses our Masterson's car care products, and it's designed to do this. That means all the dirt that was on top of the car, it's being pulled off, because if you maintain your car with the proper wax, the proper sealant, and you wash it properly, you can do a rinseless wash just like this and get amazing results. Look at all the foam on the ground and all the dirt you see inside. The dirt itself is inside the foam. You see all these little lines right here? Those are actual dirt lines that are coming off the car. It's pulling off all that grime. It's even pulling off some from here on the underside. Incredible stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this dwell for about 3 minutes right here. It's in the shade. It's a pH neutral shampoo, so it can dwell in the shade right here. And then once it's done, we're gonna go ahead and give it a quick rinse. We'll see you in a few moments.
Like this.
So now that we got the whole vehicle rinsed off, let's go ahead and dry the vehicle using our ceramic spray sealant. Now I love drying the vehicle like this, especially when it's hot like this, because the car's drying very, very quickly. I already dried off the hood, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do this on the side of the vehicle. So let's take our ceramic spray sealant. I like using this product because you can spray it on the car and it gives ceramic protection, but also conditions the paint and enhances the shine. So we're gonna spray this over the whole side of the vehicle. There's still a lot of water on the car, and this is gonna help dry the vehicle a lot faster as well. So I'm gonna take my big orange drying towel. This is my 36 by 25 drying towel, huge drying towel. And let's go ahead and dry the car from the top and work our way down. Now, if you're drying your car on a summer day like this, the water will dry extremely fast. So that's why I love using our ceramic spray sealant, because it provides lubrication on the paint and it dries it faster. And if you guys notice, look, it's pushing off the excess water and it's moving it to the bottom of the car. And that way we reduce water spots and we get more gloss on the vehicle. So I'm gonna move my way down. The way I like to dry the vehicle is I like to move my way all the way from the top and then I'll dry the bottom, because usually all of the water will drip to the bottom. And I always make sure that I fold my towel to make sure I don't drag it on the ground. Now come over here, guys. This is what I like about using our ceramic spray sealant is if you're drying your vehicle and the water dries too fast and you start to get some light water spots, spray the ceramic spray sealant on the vehicle and then take your drying towel and just give it a good dry. This is gonna remove any light water spots that are on the vehicle, and it's gonna help condition the paint. Check that out. That's the shine we want to get. And then once we dry off the vehicle, let's take our microfiber towel, flip it to a dry side right here on our back side. It's a very windy day. As you can see, my towel's just blowing. Take it and then just give it a good buff. So come down and look at the paint down here. So easy to do. And the shine is just coming back. So easy. And we were able to even take off more water spots that were on the vehicle, because this car sits outside a lot and it can get water spots from sprinklers and just daily driving on the vehicle. And now we're able to get the shine so easy and so fast. So I want to tell you guys one more big tip from the pro. If you're ever washing your car, you're doing that weekly wash, don't ever forget the inside of the door jambs right here, especially on a car like this that has such a big lower half of the vehicle, a big lower side skirt. You want to make sure you get all the water spots. Come here and look at all this water. If you didn't wash your car right, all this water would be missed. So take your ceramic spray sealant, shake it up, and come in. I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. We're going to spray it down there, and then take your big orange drying towel and give it a good dry. Remember, open up all your doors, all your trunks, and get the whole vehicle dried, so you always have that best wash, and when you open your car, everybody's always impressed. So the last part about drying the car is, I've already dried the glass. This works great on glass, so the glass is already clean and it's looking really fresh. I'm gonna take my ceramic spray sealant and the microfiber towel that I used to dry the whole car, and I'll dry the wheels last. Why am I drying the wheels last with the same towel? Because I don't want to bring any brake dust back onto the paint. This towel is going to get used last on the wheels, and then it's going to get washed. So the brake dust is never going to touch the paint. So here's how I dry the wheels. I take my ceramic spray sealant. I go ahead and I take the wheel right here. I give it a good spray. Come in close, guys. Check this out. I take my towel and I give it a good wipe. And the reason I use a ceramic spray sealant on my wheel is because I want to make sure that all the brake dust is protected all the wheel is protected against the brake dust, because I don't want that brake dust start eating into my wheel. Look at all this extra brake dust that was here on the wheel that didn't get pulled off, but we're pulling off right now with a microfiber towel and giving it a good clean. So now we're gonna go ahead and throw some tire shine on this. It's extremely hot. I wanna get home. It's the end of the day, so we're gonna throw on some of our spray shine. It's really fast and easy to use. I'm gonna turn on my sprayer, and we're gonna use one of our Pro Foam applicator pads. So let's shake up my tire shine. Now, once you have it sprayed on the applicator pad, we're gonna go ahead and put it on the tire. So let's spray it on the tire. And I love how the spray shine is gonna sink deep into the tire. This one has not been protected or had tire dressing applied in a while. And so we're gonna need to put a nice thick coat on there, because the way tire dressing and tire shine works is the rubber actually absorbs the tire shine. So that's why you want to use a very high quality tire shine that uses water-based protectants, because the water-based protectants are going to sink into the tire and give a nice even shine. And I like the way this looks, because it doesn't look too greasy and it doesn't look too wet. So that means it's going to give a nice natural appearance to this vehicle. It's not going to look too outrageous. It's not going to look too bling. It's going to look like an amazing driving machine. So there we go, guys. We finished up our weekday wash on Carlos's Subaru WRX. Now this thing came here dirty from the daily drive, and now we gave it a quick touchless wash with our Masterson's professional foam cannon and our Mystic Snow Foam. Now this is a great way to wash your vehicle without even touching the paint, and that way you minimize swirl marks, you minimize scratches, and your car stays looking great for longer. So if you well maintain your vehicle and you're looking for a way to wash your car before your cruise night, before a weekend drive, maybe you're out of time and you want to give it a quick wash before you go out on a date, or you want your car to look clean, this is a great way to do it if you got your pressure washer and you got your foam cannon. So if you guys want to pick up our Masterson's professional foam cannon version 2, as well as our Mystic Snow Foam and our ceramic spray sealant, go hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, click the link right here, and check out everything you need to get your car looking great. Now, I hope you guys like this weekday wash. This is the way I like to wash any car in the middle of the week to get your car looking great, especially on a beautiful summer day like this one. We're going to close up the shop. We're going to get out of here. Remember, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. Remember, we make these videos just for you guys to give you free content all right here online with the best detailing supplies and the best tutorials right on the internet. So remember, go to our website, mastersonswax.com, click that like button, click that subscribe, and we'll see you next time right here at Masterson's Car Care. See you later.